In this video, I'm going to show you how to start earning real money online with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can start promoting affiliate product the right way and start earning money online. I'm going to show you how to do this on Digistore 24, but you can use any other affiliate network of your choice. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can start earning passive income with this affiliate marketing blueprint course. So moving on to today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with affiliate marketing using the relationship niche. As you can see right here, this is an example of an account, and this is how I create my accounts on Instagram to make money with affiliate marketing. If you scroll down to their videos, you are going to see they make very simple videos. You can see this one right here, over 11,000 views on this video. So if I click on this video right here, and if I play this video, you can see this is a very simple video, nothing special about this video at all. And it has gotten almost 12,000 views on this video alone. All right. So now if I click out of this video and if I scroll to the bio of this account, you can see they have a link right here, which is definitely linking to a ClickBank product or a Digistore 24 product. So if I click on this link, so as you can see, it brought me to this page. So if I scroll down, you can see this product is hosted on ClickBank, but don't worry, this product is also available on Digistore 24 as well. And I'm going to show you how to make money promoting this product. So what you want to do from here is to go back to your Digistore 24 account. So all you need to do is to click on the marketplace somewhere around the screen, and it's going to bring you to this page. So once you do that, you want to click on this dating, love and relationships. So if you click on that, as you can see, they have over 30 products available under this category that you can promote and start making money immediately. All right. So if I scroll down here, you are going to see this soulmate sketch product right here. This is the product that Instagram account is promoting. And also I'm going to show you another example of an Instagram account doing something similar. You can see this is also another Instagram account, and if you come over here, you can see, look at the type of posts they are making, just basic posts, and they are getting a lot of engagement on their posts. You can see this one is very simple right here. This one is just a plain text, as you can see right here, and they've gotten over 18,000 views on this video. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do everything and how to create this type of videos and start getting views and start earning money. Okay, so going back to Digistore 24, all you need to do from here is to click on the promote now. And once you do that, you'll be able to grab your affiliate link. And now, as you can see, this account is doing right here. You don't need to create a landing page if you don't want to do that. You can just basically shorten your affiliate link and start earning money. So you want to head over to tinyurl.com like this person is already doing. So you want to paste your Digistore 24 link and you want to type in a name that relates to the product. Okay, since this is a soulmate product, all right, so let's say soulmate 01. All right, you can see it's now available. Someone has taken that. So let's say soulmate 91. All right, this is available. So now you want to make sure to copy and save this link somewhere. All right. So now the next step now, as you can see, we are going to need a video to promote this product. Okay. So now I'm going to show you how to create a very simple video on Canva, and I'm going to show you an example of a video I already made on Canva. So now I'm going to preview a simple video I made on Canva, and I'm going to show you how to create this type of video. You can see it's a very simple video, straight to the point, and this is going to get a lot of views on Instagram because I have personally used this type of videos myself. Okay, so now you can see this is just a 15 seconds video that you can create on Canva and start earning money. All right, so now all you need to do is to go over to canva.com. So once you come over to canva.com, all you need to do is to come over to this section that says videos. So once you come over here, you want to click on this mobile video. So once you click on that, the first thing it's going to do is going to bring you to this page. And as you can see, Canva is going to provide you with a lot of templates that you can just basically plug and play to create your videos in a few minutes. All right. So the first thing you are going to need is a background, just like the example video I made. So to get free videos, all you need to do is to go over to pexels.com and you want to type in scenery. So once you type in scenery, you want to make sure to switch from photos to videos. So once you select videos, all you need to do is to click on search. So once you search for this, you are going to see numerous videos that you can use for your background for absolutely free. As you can see, this is the exact video I used to create that video. So you can use any of these videos. All you need to do is to click on this download button and you'll be able to download the video to your device right away without any copyright issues. So once you've downloaded the video to your device, all you need to do is to import the video. And to do that, all you need to do is to head over to the upload section and you want to scroll to where it says videos. And once you come over here, you will be able to upload the video by clicking on this upload files. So once you upload the video like this, all you need to do is to drop the video right here. So once you drop the video, as you can see, we have our background. So this is the first step. So the next step now is adding content to our video so that we give people value. And now what you want to do from here is to head over to google.com and you want to type in something as simple as male relationship facts. All right. And the reason why we are doing this is because this is what is working in this niche and getting a lot of views in this niche. As you can see, male fact, relationship facts. You can see this is what people are typing right here. You can see girls fact. So basically you want to type in something simple like this on Google and you are going to get a lot of content that you can use for absolutely free. Okay, as you can see right here, you can get 55 facts from just this page alone. If you scroll down, you can see you can get another 50 facts right here. If you scroll down, you can see you can get another 25 from here. You can get another 20 from here. If you keep scrolling down, you are going to see so many facts that you can use to create content and make money on Instagram. However, there's an alternative if you don't want to use Google. So you can use ChatGPT to create content for you for absolutely free. So once you are in your ChatGPT account, all you need to do is to type in something simple like this: 100 relationship facts, less than 200 characters. All right. You don't want it to be too long because that is going to make your video too long and you are going to get less engagement doing that. Okay, so now this is how I personally do this and you want to click on send. So once you do this, as you can see, ChatGPT is going to provide you with 100 facts that you can use to create content on Instagram. So now once you do that, the next step is to come over to this section that says text and you want to grab this heading and you want to paste it right here. So once you do that, you can just change this to something like male facts. So you want to change the color to something like white so that it's visible. All right, as you can see right here. Okay, so now the next step is to add your first fact. All right, like the video I made right here, you can see this example. All right, 2 facts you should know about men in love. So you can add as many facts as you want, but I recommend to keep it to a maximum of 3 facts per video so that you can have more content to create on your video. So once people click on your video, they are going to see 2 facts you should know about men in love. So this way you are giving value to people as you are providing them this information that most of them might not know. All right. So once you do this, this is how you create this video. You want to add the 2 facts just as I've done right here. You can see the first fact right here. After the video plays for a while, you can see the second fact is going to come in. And this is how you create a simple video on Canva in just less than 5 minutes. Now the final thing you're going to need is music. And now to get music, all you need to do is to head over to bensound.com. This is a platform that provides you free music that you can use for your videos without any copyright issues. Okay, so once you come over here, you want to make sure to click on the free music. And once you click on this, as you can see, it's going to provide you with option to download this music for free. As you can see, you can download music from any of the categories right here. And now you can see free music for videos. Download our copyright safe music for your videos: YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. All you just need to do is to give attribution. All right. So now once you found any music you like, you can preview the music by clicking on the play button. And now if you click on download, and now as you can see, this is the attribution text. You want to make sure to paste this in the description of your video. And you want to make sure to do that so that you will be free from any copyright issues. Okay. So now once you've downloaded the music, all you need to do is to upload the music by coming over to the upload button and you want to go to audio, and this way you'll be able to upload the music and you want to add the music to your video. Okay, so you want to drag and drop the music right here. So once you've added the music, as you can see, it's going to show underneath the video. And now what you want to do from here is to click on this share button, and now you want to scroll down, you want to click on this download. So once you click on this download, you'll be able to download this video. All right, so once you download the video, all you need to do is to create an Instagram account in this niche as well. And you want to make sure to post those videos on your Instagram account. All right. And also make sure to paste in your link in the bio of your Instagram account, just like this person is doing. So creating an Instagram account is absolutely straight to the point. Everybody knows how to do that. All you just need to do is to make sure you add your link in the bio, just like this person is doing right here. And finally, to get faster traffic, don't limit yourself to Instagram alone. You can also take advantage by posting the same video on TikTok, and you want to post that same video on YouTube Shorts as well. Doing this, I can assure you that you are going to get a lot of views. If people are engaging with these videos on Instagram, then definitely they would engage with it on TikTok and YouTube Shorts as well. So this is a very simple strategy any beginner can use to start earning money on Instagram. All right. All you need to do is to follow this strategy, and you are definitely going to start getting engagement on your videos. And that way, many people are going to check out your bio and go over to the product page. And once they purchase this product, you make $18. So if you come back to Digistore 24, you can see this product costs $18. So all you need is just about 5 sales a day, and you're already making at least $100 promoting this product alone. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value at all, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.